Good day, everyone. The topic for today is arithmetic sequence. All right, so we have the formula that we need to use for arithmetic sequence. Okay, so now what we need to do, or what we need to know, is to know what does Tn stand for there, right? All right, Tn is the value of the term in the position. So Tn is the value. Okay, so Tn is the value of the term in the position. Okay, so that we need to know. All right, now we also have a here. Okay, a is the first term of the sequence. A is the first term, is the first term of the sequence. All right, that is our a there. Okay, now we have n. What is n? Okay, that we need to know as well. N is the position of the term. N is the position of the term. Is the position of the term. Okay, now there is something important that you need to know, that n should be positive, always positive, because n should be a whole number or a natural number. Okay, all right, n should always be positive, should be a whole number or a natural number there. Right, the last one that we are having that we don't know yet, it's d. Right, our d there, guys, should be what? It's aka known as a what? A common difference. Okay, it's known as the common difference. That is d there. Okay, so now we know the meaning of this formula. Now we know the meaning of this formula. Right, this one is just 1 there, it's just 1 like a number. All right, so but it's -1 there. All right, let's just look at the example that we are having. The first example that we are having here, it says consider the arithmetic sequence 2, 6, 10, 14. All right, first question, what is the constant difference? Okay, so we need to find out the constant difference. Okay, we need to find out the constant difference. Now can I write the sequence again? It's 2, 6, 10, 14. All right, so in order for us to find the constant difference, we need to first say T2. Okay, first this one is T1, T2, T3, T4. Okay, so we have got 4 terms on our sequence there. So if I say 6 minus 2, that gives me 4, 10 minus 6, that gives me 4, 14 minus 10, that gives me 4. So to answer the previous question, to answer this question, what is the common difference? Okay, so the common difference is what? It's 4. We have answered the question there. All right, the next question, it says state the value of the next 2 terms. All right, which means we need to find the next 2 terms here. Okay, so let's do that. Let's just find the next 2 terms. All right, now since we are here, to find the next 2 terms, it's going to be easy for us because we already know the common difference. Okay, we know that that must be 4 there. Okay, so now we need to add 14 and 4. That will give us 18. We add 18 plus then, right, to add. Okay, so we add 18 and 4, that will give us 22. Right, these are our next 2 terms. Okay, so we are having our next 2 terms there. That will be what? That will be 18 and what? And 22. So we are having 18 and 22 as our answer. So I can write them there, 18 22 as our answer. All right. Question number 3, it says determine the formula for the nth term of the sequence. Okay, here they are looking for the general formula, so we need to determine it. All right, so let's do that. Let's find out the formula for the sequence. Let's just find the formula. Right, first of all, we know T1, okay, which is equal to A, and that is equal to what? 2. Right. Secondly, we know D. Our D is equal to 4. It's our constant difference, also known as the common difference. Okay, right. So now we can substitute them on our formula. Our formula is like this. It's the one that we have on the next page. Okay, so we can do some substitution and then we find the general term. So we will say Tn is equal to, where there is A, we're going to write 2 plus, open bracket, n minus 1, close bracket. We multiply by what? By 4, because the value of D there is 4, and that is our common difference. Right, let's just remove the brackets out. Let's multiply out of the brackets. So this will give, we will say 4 multiplied by n, we get 4n. 4 multiplied by -1, that gives us -4. Right, so now Tn is equal to, we can say 4n there. Right, 2 minus 4 give me -2. So guys, that is our what? That is our general term, this one there. The last one, this one is our general term, okay? So we have our general term. Our general term is given by Tn is equal to 4n minus 2. All right, that is our general term there. All right, so we have answered this question. All right, we have answered this question, which says determine the formula for the nth term of the sequence. So it's going to be Tn is equal to 4n minus 2. We are done answering the question now. We go to question number 4. It says determine the value of the 25th term. All right. So in short, we are looking for T25. All right. We are looking for T25. But in this case, we are given the position of what? Of the term. It's position 25 there. We are given. So what we need to do is just to write 25 where there is n. Okay, so let's do that. All right, so our general formula is Tn is equal to 4n minus 2, and T25, we know it. Sorry, we don't know it, is the one that we are looking for. So now where there is n, we can just write 25. So we do like this, open the brackets, you write 25 there, and that's -2. Okay, so now when you say 4 multiplied by 25, that will give you 100, and that's -2, and that is your answer there. Now T25 is equal to what? It's equal to 98. So we have answered the question. All right, let's go back. Let's go back. Now we say T25 is equal to what? 98. So we have answered the question. Now the last question, it says which term has the value of 46 there. All right, so you are given Tn. All right, your Tn is equal to what? 46. Okay, so let's go and answer the question. Right, allow me to write the formula again. So our formula will be Tn is equal to 4n minus 2. Now Tn we are given, they told us that it's 46, so which means I can just go there and then write 46. I'm doing substitution. Okay, So this gives me 4n minus 2. Now you take negative 2 across, so that will give you 46 plus 2, which is equal to 4n, and this will give you 48 is equal to 4n. Now you divide by 4. What you do on the left, you must also do it on the right. Right. So now 48 divided by 4, that will give you 12. So therefore n is equal to what? 12. All right. Now let's just answer the question. Let's just conclude it. Okay. They say which term has the value of what? Of 46. So we will say T12 is the one that will give us what? 46. So we have answered the question. All right, guys. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Take care.